Hello, and welcome everybody. My name is Thiago, and today we are starting our journey into the Git integration on Microsoft Fabric. But if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, now it's the perfect time. Hit that subscription button and stay up to date with all the latest content. Let's get started. So, what exactly is Git? Let's break it down. If you have been working on development projects, you are probably familiar with Git. But if your background is in Power BI, Git might be a new concept for you. In this video series, I will explain some key Git concepts and show you how they are related to Microsoft Fabric. Today, Microsoft Fabric offers two options for Git integration: Azure DevOps and GitHub. However, today's focus is on Git, so we will cover those in another video. So, what's a Git? Git is a distributed version control system that allows multiple people to work on the same project simultaneously without stepping each other's toes. It tracks changes to file, make it easy to revert to a previous version, compare changes, and merge different versions smoothly. Imagine a team where Alice and Bob are working together on a data analytics project for a market campaign. To start, they create a Git repository. This repository is like a central hub where all the project files are stored. One of the standout features of Git is its support for simultaneous development. Everyone has their own local copy of the code and can work on their branches offline. This makes collaboration smooth and efficient. In Git, branches are like separate workspaces. Alice and Bob each created their own branch to work on a different part of the project. Branches are a game changer. The main branch contains stable code, while feature branches hold work in progress. This separation helps manage stable code and ship updates faster. Back to Alice and Bob. Alice works on cleaning and processing the data in her own branch, while Bob builds predictive model in his branch. As they make progress, they commit their changes. A commit is like saving a snapshot of their work. Then, they push these commits to the remote repository. Once they are happy with their work, they create pull requests. A pull request is a way to ask to merge changes from their branch into the main branch. Pull requests are essential for team collaboration. They allow you to discuss code changes before merging them into the main branch, ensuring code quality and knowledge sharing. Plus, platforms like GitHub and Azure DevOps offer robust pull request features. Now, Alice and Bob can review each other's changes, discuss any improvements, and then merge the pull requests into the main branch. In summary, Git is a powerful tool that boosts productivity, encourages collaboration, and helps manage your project efficiently. Whether you are a developer, writer, or a designer, Git has something to offer you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.